Hello everyone and welcome back to another Investillionaire special. In this video we'll be taking a look at a project that we are excited about, and that is the Hector DAO project and the HEC token, as well as our price forecast for it. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So here we are on CoinMarketCap and we're trying to see what the Hector DAO project is all about. So scrolling down here, we do see that Hector is a decentralized storage protocol based on the HEC token, collateralized and backed by the Hector DAO. HEC will be the reserve currency on Phantom. So if you've seen my last video talking about Olympus DAO, this is basically just a copy, a clone of Olympus DAO that is being deployed currently on the Phantom network. So the reason why I wanted to point out this project to you guys is because right now the market cap for this project is still low compared to all the other projects that have been cloned or are clones of the Olympus DAO. So if you look at the price, you do see right now the price is $100, but it can easily go up to 500, 800. Nobody knows how high this thing can go. And the reason why I'm pointing it out is because I think it's still early to get in and secure some profits. So to compare it, let's go ahead and take a look at the other projects. So this is just the website, first of all, for the Hector DAO. You can come here and then if you click on the dashboard, you're going to be able to get more info on the coin. So right now, you know that the total value locked is only $17 million. And also you see the market cap, maybe this is not accurate, but around 23 million, which is still considered not too high. Now, another clone that was made from the Olympus DAO is this project Wonderland. But before we get into it, let's take a look on Olympus DAO, the first one, which has created this kind of very high APY. So the Olympus DAO, which was launched on Ethereum, it has currently a $3 billion total value lock. Now, this is an insane amount. So this is already kind of considered late. Yes, honestly, we might be late on the Olympus because of it's already went up too much in value. It might keep going up higher, but as you can see, going in early can lead to the most rewards. So then what happened is that there was a bunch of other projects that decided to clone Olympus DAO. They were like, okay, you know what? These guys can have 3 billion total value locked. We can do the same thing. Let's just clone this project, and instead of deploying it on Ethereum, we can deploy it on another blockchain, another network. So the first one that came up was this one, Wonderland. So Wonderland has been deployed on the Avalanche network, and as you can see right now, its market cap is also reached around 2 billion, so 1.9 billion, which is still insane. And the APY that they're offering is ridiculous, like 79,000% per year. If you just put in $1,000 and this project lasts for 1 year, you're pretty much on paper, theoretically, you will be a millionaire if they can keep up with this APY and the price, doesn't collapse. So then what happened? This one also, I realized that we're kind of late on this one too, because it's already exploded in market cap. So that's when I decided to dig in deeper on the new coins that are coming out, and that's how I came across Hector DAO, which is basically doing the same thing as all the other coins, but at the moment its market cap is only 23 million, not billion. 23 million. Now compare that with 1 billion at least, or 2 billion of the other coins, and you realize that, okay, this thing can go up huge, can go up absolutely parabolic. But remember, this is on the Phantom network, so it's still extremely risky. Nobody knows what's gonna happen with this project, but it's still kind of relatively new. So even if you get in now, you can probably at least double your money safely. Now, there is nothing safe about this. These coins, clones come up all the time. There's a bunch of them that have already come out. So this one is coming here on the Phantom network. There's another one called Invictus, I think. That one was, yes, Invictus. This one was launched on the Solana blockchain, but seems like the price is tanking at the moment. Same thing, same idea of the project. They're giving this crazy high APY and just deploying it on other platforms. So Solana might have been also late on this one. So, but for our coin, Hector DAO, might be still early. You can still make some profits with this. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but it's worth a shot. I mean, if you want to get rich overnight, guess what? You have to take some big risks. You cannot just not risk anything and expect to make gains. So this is why we decided to share this project with you. Now, nothing is guaranteed, as said, so this is not financial advice, guys. We are not financial advisors. This video is made only for entertainment and educational purposes, and you should do your own due diligence and your own research before investing into any asset and into any crypto, because this can be a scam. You can get scammed on any of these other coins. We don't know who the team behind Hector DAO is, but what we're doing is that we're buying kind of a project based on our observation of the market of the other coins. They have done fairly well. So if this doesn't turn out to be a scam, nothing scammy about it, you have a very good chance of making a lot of profits right now. So this can easily go up. If you can see the price, let's take a look at the prices. So it started from $17 on just beginning of November 4th, and you can see it already reached 100, but still it's gonna go up way higher. We believe it can reach maybe 500, 600. So our recommendation would be, if you decided to gamble on this project, because it is a gamble, we don't know, we're just speculating right now on the price, then be willing to lose 100% of your investment. Be willing, keep that in mind. You can lose 100% of your investment, but at the same time you have to realize that, okay, this can make you, with $1,000, it has the potential to also make you a millionaire. So there is the risk to reward ratio. What are you comfortable with? Do you want to take a chance? Do you want to go crazy and YOLO and put in the 1,000 or 100 or whatever amount you decided to put in and see how it plays? It can turn out to be huge profits for you. And if you lose that 1,000, are you okay with it? For my case, I'm okay with losing that money, because I realize that I have to take huge risks, and the higher the risks, the higher the rewards. And this is one of these type of projects where the risk is just enormous, but also the rewards are just enormous. Now, also keep in mind that we're going to be observing the markets, and we'll try to find another projects that are similar to this, that have not yet launched or that are planning to launch soon. One project that we found on Twitter, which is supposed to be deployed on Solana blockchain, is called Babylon DAO. So we were anticipating that one to be launched, but it seems that it's not launched yet. So instead we found this in Invictus. It seems that they just launched kind of rapidly, because everybody, we have to realize that also, is that everybody is competing now, even though all of them are clones of the same Olympus project code, give or take, but they're still competing for the new blockchains, the other blockchains. So you have one now launched on Avalanche, you have one on Phantom, you have one on Binance Smart Chain, and so on. So Solana, we have this one. Which one is gonna explode? There can be only one winner, but you have to take bets. Maybe you shouldn't put 1,000 into this. Maybe you can put like 100 and then keep the rest. If we find another coin, or if you find another one, then go ahead, pull the trigger, because this can be your way out. This can be a very easy for you a very easy way out, you know, from whatever misery that you might be in. You might be trying hard. You might see a lot of people making a lot of money in the crypto world, and you want to be part of it. Where guess what? You have to do something about it. And now time is ticking. Time is ticking. Right now it's $103. Tomorrow, if you wait and we wake up, it might be 200, 300, 400, or it might go to zero. I mean, you understand that this is the world of crypto. You take your chances and you hope for the best. If it doesn't work out, don't give up. We keep trying again. If you've been following our channel, then you know there are some coins that we were successful in predicting how the price will go up, and we made a lot of profits. Some coins not so well. So you cannot win all your battles, but if you win enough of this battle, in the end, you're gonna win the war, and you're gonna be victorious, and you're gonna be rewarded handsomely for the rest of your life. For the rest of your life, right now, this gamble that you can be taking, it's a gamble that you're taking for your freedom. So yes, it might be a desperate move. Yes, it is desperate. But it can also bring you the freedom that you crave to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and have as much money as you want, and get out of the matrix, basically. So with that being said, guys, we remember this is not financial advice. Look into this super fast. Don't waste time. And with that being said, we hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.